Just play your role. That's what's gonna get you a lot more jobs, is just continuously playing your role. And the other thing is, like, with team members, you've gotta establish this with them. You need people to communicate with you immediately. I had this light tech once that I showed him the idea, and this is a set where we're dealing with 6 lights. It's all outdoors. He's like, yeah, I can set it up. I got it. We can do it. And we wasted about like 30 minutes where I could really see that he wasn't confident in his ability to do it. We wasted about 30 to 45 minutes setting up a set that we didn't shoot a single picture in, because it was just like, or setting up a lighting set that we didn't shoot a single picture in, because he just didn't want to communicate that he couldn't do it. And if you can't do it, sure, it might be embarrassing or anything like that, but at least you're not wasting time, because if you can't do it, falls back on me. I'm going to be pissed at you. The artist is already pissed at me. The management is pissed at me because the artist is pissed. So you got to communicate constantly with your team, with the artists. Let them know what's going on at all times. And if you can't do something, don't waste your time trying to do it. Experiment, don't get me wrong. But if you try to all your efforts towards it, get out as soon as you can.